To say, it is beautiful in Russia in summer, you would say,
В России красиво летом.
which literally means, in Russia beautifully in summer. Let's learn how to say, Russia.
Россия.
Okay, now try to say, Russia.
Россия.
Now let's learn how to say, in.
В.
Listen closely one more time.
В.
Let's see if you can say, in.
В.
Okay, now try to say, Russia.
Россия.
Let's see if you can say, in.
В.
In Russian, words change their endings, and the various forms the words have are called cases. Here, Russia is,
Россия.
but if you want to say in Russia, you will need to change the ending because of the preposition
В.
in, which indicates here in this place, and so the case is called prepositional case. Feminine nouns ending in
И я.
will end
И.
in the prepositional case. For example,
Англия.
English. Based on what you've learned so far, you can figure out how to say in Russia.
В России.
Listen to the way you would say beautifully.
Красиво.
Let's hear that again.
Красиво.
Let's see if you can say beautifully.
Красиво.
Okay, now try to say Russia.
Россия.
Let's see if you can say in.
В.
Let's see if you can say beautifully.
Красиво.
Now, let's learn how to say summer.
Лето.
Listen closely one more time.
Лето.
How do you say summer?
Лето.
Okay, now try to say Russia.
Россия.
Let's see if you can say in.
В.
Let's see if you can say beautifully.
Красиво.
How do you say summer?
Лето.
Now, let's learn in summer. Ready?
Летом.
Let's hear it again.
Летом.
If you want to say in summer, in winter, etc. in Russian, you should use instrumental case. And remember, no preposition is required. How do you say in summer?
Летом.
Try to say in Russia.
В России.
How do you say in summer?
Летом.
Put the pieces together to say, it is beautiful in Russia in summer. You are literally saying, in Russia beautifully in summer.
В России красиво летом.
Now, let's learn how to say winter.
Зима.
Listen closely one more time.
Зима.
Do you remember how to say winter?
Зима.
Listen carefully.
Зимой.
Means in winter. Let's hear that one more time.
Зимой.
Try to say in winter.
Зимой.
Good job so far. Now, think of the way to say, it is cold in Russia in winter.
В России холодно зимой.
This is how you say spring.
Весна.
What's the way to say spring?
Весна.
Now, how do you think you would say, it is cold and sunny in Russia in spring?
В России холодно и солнечно весной.
Did you get it right?
Весна.
Is feminine, just like,
Зима.
and has the same ending in instrument. How do you say, it is cold in Russia in winter?
В России холодно зимой.
How do you say, it is cold and sunny in Russia in spring?
В России холодно и солнечно весной.
Listen and repeat the following,
Январь.
which means January. Now, how do you say January?
Январь.
Do you remember that we had to change
Россия.
to
России.
after the preposition?
В.
We need to apply the same principle to the names of the months. They are all masculine nouns. Masculine nouns in prepositional case acquire an ending,
Е.
i.e.
Январь.
Now, how do you think you would say in January?
В январе.
So far, so good. Can you figure out how to say, it is cold in Russia in January?
В России холодно в январе.
How do you say, it is cold in Russia in winter?
В России холодно зимой.
How do you say, it is cold and sunny in Russia in spring?
В России холодно и солнечно весной.
Now, how do you say, it is cold in Russia in January?
В России холодно в январе.
Do you remember how to say winter?
Зима.
Try to say in winter.
Зимой.
What's the way to say spring?
Весна.
Now, how do you say January?
Январь.
Do you remember how to say in January?
В январе.